Hi guys, welcome today. Today, on Monday, yes, Monday, December the 14th, we have a whole page of puzzles. But we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There is also an additional with extra Sudokus, a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1 and binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus, but one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And I want to inform you that the movies I have uploaded, the numbering was incorrect. I have skipped one number, and that number was 2004. So I made an error. So I don't know why I have skipped a number, but that number 2004 will be this one, Sudoku Medium. Alright, so this one will be 2004. And this Sudoku, I have already counted the printed digits. This one has 26. And if you compare with the additional with extra Sudokus, the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25 printed digits, and the 4 stars, in the old days, the publisher has 24 printed digits, but lately also 25 printed digits. And I need to make a correction because the medium Sudoku was 2004. This one will be 2009. All right, and this one will be 2010. All right, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. The second column, one of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Well, we see there also a 5, so no 5 here. So the only place for a 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the row below the third row, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit and number 1. All right. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. Yes. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, we see here also a 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only 1 place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 6. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 6 should be there. And we have a pair, 6 and a 1 in this row, 6 and a 1 in the last row. So in the row between, 6 and a 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this yet. So we have 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. Let me mark them also because I cannot fill this yet. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. 1 box left for the 7. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 7. Should be there. And all the 7s are used. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 3. about the 8 in this first row? 8 in the third row, so the row between, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for an 8 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there ain't no 8 in these two boxes. There ain't no 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for an 8 should be there. Because those two boxes are reserved for the 6 and the 1. Now we have an 8 here. So this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 3. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. And now, how about this number in this row for the number 3? Those two numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only place for 9 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. One box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. Only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. All right. All right. One number left in the second column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. How about yeah. These 3 missing numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are missing now. 4 and the 6. Here also the 4 in the 6 in the middle column. 4 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 6 and 3 again. 6 and a 3, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this is going to be 6 anymore, this should be the 6, and this should be a 3. One number left in the first row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finishing 50 minutes. Alright, a great Sudoku. I like this medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the additional. Oh guys, yeah, don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later. Bye bye for now.